Hello, my name is Barbara Badolati, and I'm the creator of Live Blissful and blissfulbusinessmentorship.com. And today's video is about self-care. How you do anything is how you usually do everything. And although I'm a work in progress and I'm always doing things to improve myself, I have found that by taking care of myself, it's really transferred into my relationships, into my business. And so I wanted to make this video for you so that you can perhaps adopt some of the tools and techniques and different things I'm going to share with you, or if you're doing some things that you can continue to expand on that, because again, how you are treating yourself and how you're taking care of yourself is also a reflection of your business and your life. So one of the things that I do to set the tone for the day is what happens the night before. So about 9-10 o'clock for me, I start to shut down any kind of electronics, emails, phone, computer, wrap up the day, even situate my desk so that it's clean and ready to go the next morning, or even putting a to-do list together. So in the morning, I know exactly what I'm going to be doing. That way too, I dump out anything that's on my mind so I'm not taking with me to bed and thinking about what I need to do the next day. So use that time, and again, it could be things that you're doing in your personal life, with your family or so on, but start to create that ritual of creating the next day the night before. Then I take a shower, I get ready for bed, I kind of wash off the day rather than doing that in the morning. And then also I use the evening to do a nice stretch, yoga practice. I write in my gratitude journal, not necessarily what I'm grateful for, but why I'm grateful, and really feeling that. I meditate at night, so for me, sitting there and meditating and really reflecting on the day, even the things that don't go so well, I can reflect on them and be aware of maybe how I would do it differently in the future, or again, just being grateful for giving me that lesson, as well as the other things that I can be grateful for and why I'm grateful, from the littlest thing to the biggest thing, however you want to measure that. Then I go to bed with some sort of guided relaxation, sleep meditation, something that will help me go into a deep sleep and sleep all night long. And I use Insight Timer, that's the app that I use. And then in the morning, what I do is I wake up with music. I also have a light that gradually increases and allows the room to be illuminated regardless if the sun is out or not, or what time of day I'm waking up or not. So those are some things that helped me to gradually start to wake up. And then I, again, immediately think about what's in my future? What's my day? How am I going to take care of myself? What are the ways that I'm going to send out that intention? What are the ways that I'm going to be able to keep balance in my life? And again, passing for or sending that out forward into my day. And then throughout the day, really reflecting again what you're grateful for. I pay attention. What am I grateful for? And thinking about that all day long. So I hope those were some tips that will help you as well. Maybe do your exercises in the morning, Qigong, yoga, Tibetan rites. I will put these things also on the Bliss Club so that you can, excuse me, utilize it as well. Thank you so much.